students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that the following table shows the point of each player scoring 4 games. So now we have to answer the following question. First is that find the mean of the mean to determine A's average number to point the score per game. So basically here we are given the players game 1, game 2, game 3 and game 4. So, here we are having 3 player A, player B and player C, and these are the scores done by the player A, done by the player B and done by the player C. In the first part we have to find out the mean to determine the A's average number of points scored per game. So in the first part we have to find out the mean. So as we know that mean is equals to the sum of all observations divided by the total number of observation. So here we are considering about the A's innings. So we have to find out the mean of A's score. So from here we can say that in game 1 A scored 14, in game 2 he scored 16, in game 3 he scored 10 and in game 4 again he scored 10. So we can say that the observations is equals to the sum of observations. So here the observation for A's are in game first he scored 14, then in game second 16, then 10, then 10. So A's mean is equals to the sum of observation, that is 14 plus 16 plus 10 divided by the number of observation. We have 4 observation. Now we are going to find it sum. 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 50. When we divide 50 with 4, we get the value as 12.5. So we can say that the mean of A or A's mean is equals to 12.5. So this is the answer to the part 1 of this question. Now let's discuss the part. In the second part, we have to find out the mean number of point per game for C. Would you divide the total point by 3 or by 4 and why? So we are considering about the part 2 here. In the part 2, we have to find out the mean for C. So mean for C is equals to the sum of all observation, basically the total points of C divided by the number of matches he played. So here if we look here in the table, in the first match he scored 8, in the second he scored 11, in the third he did not play, and in the fourth he scored 16. So basically matches he play is matches played by C is equals to 3. So he played 3 matches. So we are just going to divide the sum of the scores scored by him in the 3 matches. So we are going to divide the sum by 3. So from here number of matches played by C is 3. So we can say that in order to find the mean number of the point per game of C, will you divide the total number by 3 or 4? So as we just discussed, he just placed the 3 matches. So we are going to divide the mean by 3. So we can say that the mean for C is equals to the score of match first plus second plus 4, as he did not play the third match, divided by 3. So this is the answer to the part second. Now in the part third, B played in all the 4 games. How will you find the mean? So we have to find out the mean for B. So from here we can say that the mean for B is equals to the total points scored by B divided by the total number of games he played. So he played all the 4 games. In the first he scored 0, in the second he scored 8, in the third he scored 6, and in the fourth he scored 4. So we are going to divide this with 4. So 8 plus 6 is 14 and 14 plus 4 is 18. So 18 divided by 4, that is equals to 2 and 9, which is equals to 4.5. So we can say that the B's mean is equals to 4.5. So this is the answer to the part C. Now we are going to discuss about the part D. Who is the best performer? So in order to find out the best performer, we have to find out the mean of all this. So firstly, in order to solve this, we are having the mean of A. we are also having the mean of B. So mean of A is equals to 12.5. Mean of B we need to calculate, and the mean of C is equals to 4.5. Mean of B is equals to sum of all observation, as he played only 3 matches in which he scored 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by the 3. So this from here, 8 plus 11 is 19, and 19 plus 13 is 22. So 22 divided by the 3 is equals to, this will be something equals to 10.66. It's 32. So this from here is equals to 10.66. 8 plus 11 is 19, and 19 plus 13 is 32. So 32 divided by the 3 is equals to 10.16. So from here we can say that the mean for A is 12.5, for B is 10.66, and for C is 4.5. So we have to find out the best performer. So the best performer is A. This is the answer to the given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of data handling. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.